Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making a delicious dill pickle hummus. Now, actually, we're going to be making this with white beans instead of chickpeas, which is a nice little twist on this. It's going to make it so creamy and delicious. This is the perfect thing to bring to the next barbecue or the next potluck that you're going to, or just have on hand as a snack at home. So this one is for the dill pickle lovers. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. All right, so first we're going to need a high-speed blender or food processor. We're going to need 1.5 large dill pickles, about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. You can put half a teaspoon of dried dill if needed. 1 clove of garlic, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of tahini for the creaminess. This is going to be so good and so nice with that tahini. And this is so easy to make. You just throw everything in the blender, blitz it up, and you are ready to go. Now, the secret ingredient is pickle juice. So we've got dill pickle juice. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can taste it and see how you like it. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice is going to brighten this right up and make it taste so delicious. And then 1 can of rinsed and drained white beans. I have white kidney beans here. They are going to be so good in here, so creamy. They blend up so much easier, I find, than chickpeas. If you do want to do this with chickpeas, I do recommend boiling the chickpeas for a few minutes with just a pinch of baking soda just to kind of soften them up before you go ahead and add them. But the white beans are so good in this. I just absolutely love it as a great substitute for hummus. It makes such a delicious dip, and it's so healthy and packed full of fiber and all the benefits that we get from beans. So if you're blending and it gets stuck, just scrape down the sides and keep going, because you want this to be nice and smooth and creamy. So I used my little stick to just kind of start stirring that around and get it going so that it is going to be really smooth and creamy. And then you can see the shot up here next. Once I gave it a few swirls, things were going again, and look at that. We're seeing that really beautiful texture that we want. Now, I wanted to add just 1 more tablespoon of dill pickle juice to it, so I added 3 tablespoons of dill pickle juice total. Look at that beautiful whipped creamy texture. Yum. This comes together really fast in the Vitamix, but like I said, you can use a food processor too, and then taste it before you add the salt. But if you feel like you want to add some salt, you can add that in, blend it up again, and then you're going to put this into a serving bowl and just use the back of your spoon to sort of smooth it around the bowl. I mean, look at that. It's so much fun to do this. And then you can add your toppings. So I added a little bit of high quality olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I added some fresh dill and then some chopped up dill pickles to put on top. This was such a hit when I brought it to a potluck, a little party that I went to, and one of the kids was actually loving it too and picking those dill pickles off the top, which was so cute, and everyone was loving it and asking for the recipe. So I'm super excited for you to try this. If you are a dill pickle lover and you're looking for a healthy dip, something you can dip your chips or veggies, like and subscribe for more like this.